Good manners. Very good morning, everyone. My respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, brothers and sisters who are present here, please take up my salute and cordial love respectively. Today, I am really so happy to get a chance to share my points of view on this topic, good manners. Good manners are the vital qualities of a man with good character and honesty. Good manners can make a person very popular with his friends and relatives. Such persons generally enjoy a happy and peaceful life. A well mannered person must be faithful and unselfish. He must be very polite and friendly. Such persons always show respect to their elders and affection for youngers. They are always interested to help other people. Such people are never proud and haughty. They are always gentle and lovable. Good manners come from good culture and tradition in our society. A child can have the best training in good manners and behavior from the elders in his or her family. The school is another important place where students can learn proper manners. Good manners, however, should be learned from the primary stage of one's life. They can never be learned overnight. In a nutshell, developing good manners will make us pleasant, polite, dutiful, and successful in life. They will also help us to stand out from the crowd and attain better opportunities in life. Saying this, I end my brief speech. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.